Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create posts on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the Threads app. Here you can see 5 different options on the bottom of the screen. So in order to write a post, you'll have to click in the button which lies in the middle of the options. Here you can type something. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of option. This option allows you to attach videos and photos from your gallery. Finally, click on Post. Now go to your profile page in order to see if the post has been posted. And that is how you can simply create posts on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.